Okay, tubers, I got a I got a little parts mower here. Thought I'd show it off to you. And of course, you know, I've got my Suburban right there, the older one with the Kohler. Showed you a video of mine, the 72 I got just a couple weeks ago, and yesterday I got this little parts tractor. When I bought it, the guy had a brand new carburetor on it. Battery wasn't brand new, but it came with it. And it was missing a muffler, and I just threw that on there so I could just try it out. It won't be so loud. And the clutch pulley was missing. When I got it, it was but way below add, and it's got a knock to it now, so it ain't gonna be long. It's gonna be dead. Like I said, this thing is wore out. Let me turn the switch on. Switch don't work, so I had to make a key. Get this thing started here for you. Well, it starts way too easy to have blowed rings. Let's put that back right there. Should start now. See what I mean? The only thing I'm missing is the air filter. I mean, as it gets hot, louder, it's got a knock to it. Here, I'll show you. And it smokes. I don't know if you can see it smoking or not. I can deal with the smoke. But yeah, it's a 10XL. The person who had it didn't like the blue, the yellow and white, that and orange that was painted, or orange and white, whatever color it was. They didn't care for that, so yeah, everything works on it. Stator, the stator, the starter, the solenoid's burnt out. Gotta get a solenoid cord if I want to use the switch. But this is just parts. I can use it for parts, or I can use it for pulling around with. It also came with the 3-point hitch, and somebody came and put a double rope disc on it. I'll show that in another video. But right now, this is my Smokey. That's what I'm gonna name it, Smokey. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos.